Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna lube a Rubik's Cube with jam. For this awesome project I will use this Cyclone Boys 3x3 because it's a cheap and low quality cube. In case it interests you, the jam I will apply will be raspberry jam. Let's start by removing a bunch of the cube's pieces. Now it's time to apply the jam. Let's remove the lube on the outside of the cube. It's time to put back in place the pieces removed earlier. Finally, let's break in the loop by doing a bunch of random turns. Oops, the outside is still a little bit sticky. Surprisingly, the corner cutting is a little bit better than earlier. Oh no, it looks like we now have a pop to fix. Wow, this is actually quite smooth and quiet. In conclusion, the raspberry jam made this cube a little bit better, but still, don't do this with your own cubes, because the jam keeps going on the outside of the cube and makes the hands sticky.